on your video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel Dutiman's Magic and Arav's Magical Touch. Today we are going to explain how we burp.
So, first we are going to know what is burp. Burping is the exchange of air given out of our stomach by our mouth.
Yeah.
So, first we are going to know how we burp. When we eat food quickly, then we swallow air and that air is given out by our mouth.
If we drink drinks with straw, it can also lead to burping. If we drink soft drinks, it has too many carbon dioxide and it can also lead to burping.
Yeah, when we drink the soft drinks, the carbon dioxide goes into our stomach and it leads and it makes for exchange of air and it leads for burping. And whereas when we drink beverages with straw, then we swallow the air present in the straw. Thus, it leads to burp by exchanging the gas from our stomach to mouth. So, and there is a bacteria called gut bacteria present in our large intestine. When it breaks food, it produces some air, and that air sometimes goes upward to the stomach and it leads to burp. So, thank you. I hope you learned something new in this episode.
And
See,
guys,
until then, it's me zooming out.
And
see you in the next video.
And guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, which is Arav's Magical Touch, and Dutiman's channel, which is Dutiman's Magic. Bye. Signing out.